All right.
These Xbox niggas be
Stevie on
cooking.
PC.
This shit trash.
You're gonna jump on top of me. Relax yourself.
That's all crazy.
If it wasn't raining, mamas, I would have taken you outside.
Right, all right, all right.
And it's
I'm
raining?
telling you. Yeah, it was
I'm
raining
gonna
earlier.
learn today. It was snowing this morning
That means
over
the
here.
floor is gonna be muddy. So if I bring him to the park, and some people don't like to clean up after their fucking dog.
Oh no, we hate that. Damn, what the fuck going on? My shit freeze? All right, while we wait.
My neighbor Brian was like, "Yo, where'd you get this knife?" I'm like, "Spoke." I see you talking about this spoke all the time. Is it worth it? You tell them what you're into, then they find gear from small brands that you might not even know about. There's no obligation to buy.
Now, whenever I first started trading ICT, I would mark out every single level on my chart, like most traders do, and my chart would look like a laser show. And then I was their support or resistance. Every time the market creates one of these levels, whenever we have a high probability order block, what is present? And the answer is fair value gaps. We're going to get into fair value gaps in a second, and no, the concept isn't fair value gaps themselves. So instead of trying to map out every single order block on your chart, you need to understand what concept that validates the order block. Why do order blocks work? Name things with order blocks. Now, you don't need to understand breaker blocks or order blocks or any of that to get this concept. The point of what I'm trying to tell you is that every time a good breaker block is formed, what do we have? We have a fair value gap. So whenever we're looking at these levels and we realize that if every time that one of them that's actually going to work is formed, we have a fair value gap, then why would we even use these levels in the first place? Now, if that is true, then why don't we just use fair value gaps? I mean, surely that would be the one concept that simplifies them all, right? Well, that's wrong, because fair value gaps oftentimes don't work, but few traders know how to spot when this is going to happen. And the concept that's going to tie in everything from order blocks, liquidity, fair value gaps, everything you've ever learned in ICT is displacement. So what is displacement? Well, displacement is just a strong and aggressive move after a price interacts with key levels or liquidity. Now, this is very important. We're not just going to be paying attention to any single displacement. It needs to be occurring at the right time. Now, the reason this is important is because it indicates which side of the market, aka buyers or sellers, is in control. And whenever you trade ICT, the whole idea of it is that you're tracking the smart money, or the money that manipulates the market, the big dogs, right? Concepts are just building up to that. Then we don't need most of those concepts, because this tells us who is in control, and it highlights areas where price is likely to continue or reverse. Now, the way that it works is price just moves through a key level with strength and closes. This could be any key level, and we're going to get to a list of all of them in this video, along with full trade execution examples. That way you walk away from this understanding how to use this and implement it into your trading. Yes, fair value gaps are a part of displacement, but not every fair value gap is created equal, and displacement is going to help you determine which ones to use and which ones to avoid. That way you lose less trades and have a higher win rate. So let me give you an example. Let's say we have a consolidation and the market moves under the consolidation and takes out the lows, but it doesn't create any kind of fair value gap to the downside, and it also doesn't really push beyond this level that much, and the market falls right back into the range. Well, what's happening in this area is a lot of traders are getting trapped. Anyone who sold this breakout, their position is now going to be underwater while the market moves back into the range. And if those are sells or shorts, when they're closed, that's going to be the equivalent, and that's likely to push price higher. Now, if you're all market alongside this, or frame fair value gap, or many of the other levels that I'm going to show you in this video. But the point is, once the market shows us that it has enough strength to move through an area where it should not move through, meaning if the market was going to be bearish and it came above this, it would sell off. And when we have a displacement through a key level, then the market is likely to continue afterwards. Now, what's going to happen again is at some point it's going to consolidate, likely at some kind of higher time frame key level, and then this pattern will either continue, meaning it'll give a displacement to the upside, or maybe it moves to the upside and fails and traps traders above. And then if it displaces down, okay, well, you know that the market's likely to expand. And what is happening is the market in consolidations, which happen on a lower time frame, as we approach these higher time frame levels, meaning that buyers and sellers have agreed on a price inside this range. But once the market shows imbalance, meaning that once it's in control, you're going to see a displacement. So if displacement in the market, and the whole idea of ICT is money, then displacement gives everything that you need to know. Because the market is going to consolidate, likely at higher time frame key levels, and then eventually it's going to expand in one direction, and that is the market showing you its hand. Now, another thing that can happen is maybe you get these fake out reversals, and this is where a lot of traders end up losing a lot of money. They don't wait for a displacement, and then they become those trap traders. I mean, how many times have you been trading the ICT 2022 model or trying to catch a reversal, and you ended up just selling the bottom or buying the top? Well, what's happening here is you're not waiting for or understanding displacement. Because if you understand displacement, you're going to avoid this. And not only that, you'll be able to capitalize off of that move. Because as we know, not every time the market hits into a higher time frame key level will we just reverse. Oftentimes, there might be some other key level above, and the market moves into it. And when the market displaces through the first one, that's the market telling you, it's showing you its hand that it's not ready from that level. But a lot of ICT traders will continuously try to sell these setups just because they've been conditioned to only look for reversals. But with displacement, you can determine not only whenever a reversal is going to happen, but if it's not, then you can take a trade in that direction. So understanding this not only saves you from losing trades, it's going to give you you a whole new world of opportunity. I'm going to show you exact trading examples of all of this on candlesticks and auction seeking fair value. This fair value is likely to be found at higher time frame key levels, and displacement is going to show you which key level the market is reaching for. This is literally the market's way of telling you where it wants to go based on liquidity. There are 3 ways that displacement tells you everything that you need to know about the markets. And if you don't understand these 3 things, then you're going to leave a ton of money on the table and you're going to miss so many good trades that you would have taken otherwise. Now, I've used strategies to make anywhere from a few $1,000s in a day to $100,000 in a single month. So let's look at this example. When this wick was created, what was the last level we traded into? Well, we traded into this swing high. Now, did we displace into this swing high? The answer is obviously no, because if we displaced, we would have a huge candle and we would have a fair value gap, or a series of huge candles with a series of fair value gaps. But we didn't, and instead we rejected away. And what this tells us is that we're likely going to seek liquidity that's lower. So we want to look at the structure point that sent us up there that failed to displace. Now, on the contrary, look right here. The market displaced through this low. So if the market displaces down, creating fair value gaps, then all of this can be viewed as noise because the market has shown you its direction is down. Now, you can make this even higher probability if this occurs into a higher time frame key level. But if the market tells you that the direction is down by displacement, you have a very high probability that you're going to continue from that displacement. So if you look at this leg and structure, this high right here did its job and broke through new lows, creating this displacement down. So this right here can be looked at as a protected area. Now, you can also combine the fact that there are a lot of trap traders above that because we got manipulated at that high. So you have a very low chance that the market is going to trade back to this area. Now, there are a couple ways you can use this, one of them being stop losses, which we're going to go over later in this video. But understand right now that the market is pushing to the downside. It's displacing. So this whole price action is likely to move to the downside. And after you know this, well, you know that this is the true leg in price action, and we're likely to continue down. So what can you look for? Well, you can look for the same thing. Traders getting trapped above highs by a lack of displacement. So if you look at this leg in price, there's no fair value gap. The market didn't even close a candle, much less displace through this high. So the market's likely to continue to the downside. So then you could look for sells anywhere through this area where you can get good enough risk to reward down to this low. Now, every time the market traps traders like this right here, or if you look right here, like this, that is a new area where you could move down your stop loss, okay? Because the market, after it traps traders, then it shouldn't revisit that area. So there are a plethora of trade opportunities here that a lot of traders would miss because they would say, oh, well, the market's not giving good enough risk to reward because they want to sell and just put their stop loss here. But every time that traders are trapped, that is a new area you can move your stop loss to. So remember, when price displaces above a high or a low, creating a fair value gap, that is the market's way of saying we're continuing. But when price barely taps a level and fails to displace, oftentimes creating a wick, or maybe even it closed a candle body, but it didn't create a fair value gap, well, that's the market telling you that it's going to reverse. And a lot of traders are getting trapped. Now, very important, guys, you want to make sure to only do this at key levels. You don't want to be watching this every single time it happens on your chart, especially on lower time frames, or you're going to lose a lot of trades because of it. But the way the market reacts to these key levels, like for example, let's say a lot of people only want to look for a reversal. Let's say if the market hits a key level and it's manipulating lows, right? It's manipulating lows, but then displacing to the upside. Well, that key level is likely to fail, and you need to look for another key level. And you can plot out a trade to trade to that level where most ICT traders are going to get trapped. Now, this is going to be a turning point for so many of you guys who are struggling with ICT. I want to go ahead and break down a trade example that I took the other day using this exact strategy. So if we look at this trade that I took on NASDAQ, making 6,000 bucks, it was in like, I think 18 or 20 minutes. Not bad, off just 2 contracts too. I didn't over risk here. But let's break down this trade and show you how powerful this really is. So first off, when we came to the morning, okay, what you want to pay attention to is how is the market reacting during the session, okay? So if we look right here, we have this fair value gap. And if you don't know what a fair value gap is, all it is a 3-candle formation where the middle candle is very expansive and the wicks on either candle don't meet. So you see right here, we had a fair value gap and the market tapped into it right at the open. So like I told you guys, you want to pay attention to this at key levels. Now, a lot of ICT traders were probably trying to short right here because the market hit this level and then it moved to the downside. But what happened here? What failed to happen? Well, the market didn't displace. So if we understand the market's not likely to continue to the downside without a displacement, well, where is it likely to go? And this is where a lot of traders trip up and psych themselves out of good trades, thinking that they're chasing, but they get just stuck in one way of the market. So let's go on to the lower time frames. And not only did we have a failure to displace right here, and a lot of traders got trapped, and then the market displaced to the upside. So if we have trapped traders below this low and the market's displacing up multiple times, that's a very high probability the market's going to continue to the upside. So where is it likely to continue to? Well, I went to a higher time frame, which for me is the 15-minute. And I marked out any areas of liquidity that I saw, which there was this swing high and this.
I think your lobby's too hard for fluke fishing.
It's because I'm not here with my backpack. It's all good. I'm here now.
No, sir. I don't need none of that.
He always struggled though. He you know, he struggles.
I think
So,
your lobby's
it's
too hard
about
for
getting
fluke,
better
man.
each day. At the end of the day,
Trying
you
to
feel
tell
me?
him the best way to get better is to start tactical sprinting.
Yeah, you gotta turn that shit on.
That nigga don't move
He-
fast enough to
I
tactical
told him the
sprint.
same
That shit
thing.
be
You know
hilarious,
what that
bro.
nigga told me? He said that shit sound exhausting.
Nah, automatic
Exactly.
tactical sprint.
Is that awesome?
Oh, the good thing is
For
I'll need
deployment.
something this week.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. All stations, this is Shadow 01. Deployment to the war zone has been authorized. We've got 10 squads active in the field.
No way, bro. Yo. Oh, my game keep freezing. Call of Duty really on that nut shit. Was that everybody or just me?
I think that was everybody.
Alright. At least it's not just me, bro. I'm about to say, God damn, 2 times in a row? Did we just lose somebody else? Oh, there you go.
I don't know what the fuck happened. I was
Call of Duty
stuck.
on that bullshit, bro. I'm just trying to play my first game, dog.
Knock the shit out the server. Everybody not here.
Luke was just right there.
That's not here.
Yo, keep on bouncing people. Back out.
Trippy got back up. Bounce, bounce, bounce. To the
This
bank.
swing high. Now, I could have held this trade a little longer than I did and got some more money out of it, which I'm a little salty about, but hey, it happens. I'm happy that I still made 6,000 bucks. So I executed the trade right here and had my stop under this series of fair value gaps. So I entered somewhere in this candle, put my stops under this fair value gap, and then I let the market just kind of run. I wanted to see how it reacted because, again, you can use displacement for everything. And as the market hit this first level, it kept displacing, so I held onto the trade. But as the market hit into this level, I didn't see a fair value gap created through it, and I looked at the 5-minute, and we failed to close beyond it. So that's why I exited the trade where I did. Again, I could have held it a little longer. It is what it is. Still 6,000 bucks in just a couple minutes using something so simple. I'm not mad at it. But again, just to recap here, the market, when it opened, it had hit into a point of liquidity. So you always want to pay attention to displacement at key levels. So if we look right here, what happened? Well, the market didn't displace. It barely moved to the downside. And not only that, there was also that 15-minute fair value gap. So you want to pay attention. We've got the 15-minute swing high right here and a 15-minute fair value gap. Which level is likely to work? And displacement is going to tell you this. So we failed to displace to the downside, meaning that there are trapped traders underneath that low. So if those sells are underwater and the market starts moving up against them, well, they're going to close, which is the equivalent to a buy. And the way to confirm that is by then going on to a lower time frame and seeing that the market is telling you it's reaching aggressively to the upside. So a lot of people will get stuck in this mentality of only reversals, but the market can tell you that it's not going to reverse here and it's likely to go to other key levels and then frame a trade just like this based upon that logic. Now, before I show you how to use displacement alone to find daily bias, I want to show you guys something that I put together all for free for you guys. It is a literal full course on everything that you could need to know about how to trade, and then an entire trading plan covering how you're going to continue it. And this covers everything from your trade checklist to risk management and psychology, and even how to continue learning the right way. So if you want to get this for free, go ahead and click the link down in the description. Again, it's a free course. So let's talk about directional bias, also known as daily bias in the ICT world. Now, this is 100% the reason that most ICT traders fail, because they complicate tons of different concepts to try to find daily bias. They're looking at everything under the sun from market maker models, fair value gap, structure, liquidity, IPTA range, all these complicated things that you really don't need when all you need is displacement in one time frame. And this works for any time frame. It's not just the daily chart. It could be your 1 hour chart or anything. Let me show you exactly what I mean. So I want you to pay attention to this example right here and watch how the candles are closing. This candle closes beyond the previous candle's high. This one closes beyond the previous candle's high. And this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. And then notice what happens here. These two fail to close beyond the previous candle's high. And what do we have? We start to have a little bit of a retracement. Now you can combine this with fair value gaps to get even a higher probability of daily bias in one direction. Now the reason this is powerful is especially whenever you're talking about daily charts. Previous daily high and previous daily low are very, very important key levels where a lot of liquidity is at. So let's just say if the market is pushing past the previous daily high and closing beyond it, well, that shows that the market's not trapping traders above it and that the trend is obviously bullish. Now notice how simple this is compared to using a ton of different concepts. And what this is going to look like on a lower time frame is this right here. So this was a previous daily low, and what you're viewing on a lower time frame is a full day of price action. So as the market traded in that previous daily low, it displaced on our lower time frame. But on our higher time frame, all this looked like was a candle body closing below the previous candle's low. And once that happened, that tells you that the market is likely to go down on the next day. Now, this is why a lot of people lose money trying to short at all-time highs. If this is you, then you know who you are, especially recently in the futures markets or in crypto markets. Everybody's wanting to short the all-time high without any proper logic just because they've learned in ICT that there's liquidity there. Well, that's not how the markets work. You need to be paying attention on a daily basis to what the market's doing right now. So if you're struggling with daily bias, just focus on candle close. If you don't close behind the previous high, then there's a chance it's manipulation. Now, you're going to want to use the confirmation from the next step that I'm going to teach you to confirm this. But you can also understand that if the market does clearly close through the high, then that's displacement, and you don't want to try to trade a reversal. Now, a little trick here is to require 2 days of failing to close before framing large reversals. So in this example, if you notice right here, you don't want to just sell immediately on the first candle closure as soon as we've had this huge move to the upside. You want to have a little bit more confirmation, and you can layer that in with the next step of what I'm about to teach you. but you can also wait for fair value gaps to create in the other direction. Now, another gem is that this works on any time frame. So let's just say you are trading futures in the morning. You could use this on the 1 hour chart and just use the 9 a.m. candle to see which way the market's likely to continue for the next hour of the day. You could do this on a 15-minute chart or any time frame to see what the next candle's price action is likely to be. You can also use this to understand which fair value gaps are likely to be tapped into. This is also referred to as breakaway gaps. So in a market where we have a fair value gap, right? This fair value gap was created. But if we look at the very next candle and we close beyond it, well, then this fair value gap is not likely to be traded back into at this time. So with fair value gaps like these, you wouldn't want to wait for retracement to trade. Now, a lot of traders get left behind because they don't understand this, and they're always waiting for a retracement to the fair value gap. But if the market is continuously closing candles beyond the previous candle's high or low, then it's very unlikely that that fair value gap will be traded into anytime soon. Once you master this simple way of reading bias, you can start using it for literally everything, from catching the move of the week to the move of the day, or even scalping the move of the current hour that you're trading. You can even combine this with the time of day to catch the biggest moves that the market's going to provide. But before we can use this for advanced entries, you need to understand one critical thing about confirmation, and this is where most traders go completely wrong. And confirmation is the most important part of your trading, because when it comes to trading, really all we're doing is mapping out key levels and then using a confirmation at one of these key levels to see where we're going to go next. That's what trading comes down to, whether you're trading ICT or whatever you're trading.
Kill to bring them back fast. All right, soldier, mark a drop point for your squad and go get after it. Got a swarm of spy drones on our arse. Shut them down.
Motherfucking time.
Drones are down and out. Excellent work.
Somebody else was shooting at those drones. I don't know if that was y'all or not.
No.
That was me.
Standing by.
I want to hurry up, shoot it down so I can grab that bounty.
No money on buy. Yeah.
Loadout drop headed your way. Enemy counter UAV inbound.
Who sent that at us?
Bio.
Nah, I'm angry. I want to go kill him. I got a P8.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Not yet. Don't throw it yet. Wait till we get closer.
Yeah, no. Wait. Stay here. Look.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Mission timeline expired. UAV exit
Your squad mates back on station. Good work. Primary objective complete. All targets eliminated.
Of course you ran.
Attack arm ID eyes overhead.
I didn't know that what you did on the steps. I swear, bro. My bad. I could drop you more lethals if that's what you need.
We've got 10 squads active in the field. Your squad made it to the safe zone.
People up top.
What?
Alright, I got you.
One more.
Care package available for delivery.
Bottom floor.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Oh, he's trash.
Last remaining operators.
His
from
teammate
that
coming from
squad.
down low.
Hunt them down.
Yeah, I was fighting him already. Easy kill. He's over here in the corner.
Enemy SAM turret active.
Ran out. Trying to run us to a team.
Clear another target during contract timeline.
Grab my key card, see what I get.
You've got a loadout drop inbound.
Browns. Trash.
Yeah, make a quick run.
Enemy UAV is online.
One here in front of me if somebody could look. One bullet.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Go get the top, get the top.
He split me. I ain't had no play.
Stand to you, soldier. Stay sharp.
Standing.
Kill confirmed. We've located the rest of them. Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done. You have reinforcements inbound.
Bye. Try harder next time.
Don't come over here.
Precision airstrike standing by.
Copy that. Longbow 3-1 is on station. Strike inbound.
They all ugly, y'all.
No hit.
What are you telling?
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done.
Niggas is still shooting me from all the way where they are. They want this one kill that bad. Oh, one of them has a.
Enemy UAV
He
overhead.
has my gun. But one of them's hacking, bro. He pointed me out underwater and then started shooting.
Marking target location.
Oh my goodness.
Enemy UAV.
Oh, one shot, one shot, one shot. I got one down out there.
25 remaining. You've got gas moving
Yeah,
in.
he had to. I just seen it.
Stand by for redeployment.
It's in the where?
Start over and get load out all over again. I'm over here.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Oh yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, one of them dudes, he got my guns and he on some shit.
Where is it?
We lost track of the bounty target. Contract failed. Get ready. You're redeploying.
Yo, this nigga, he cheating. Yo. You wall banged me? You was tracking me the whole time? This is crazy.
One inside the shed.
Marking target location.
You have reinforcements inbound.
He's cracked up top.
Fire sale active.
How are these guys
Buy
coming from the
station
sky with
prices
their
have been
weapons?
reduced. Got an extra valuable opportunity here.
no
Don't
other
miss your
redeploy
shot.
All of them, bro.
There's no redeploy on the map.
Hostile UAV in the area.
From
You're the last one standing,
zip line, bro.
soldier. Survive until your squad can redeploy.
Which one?
Look.
Enemy UAV overhead.
It could be anyone. You know.
Enemy UAV
This
is
one right
online.
here.
Marking target location.
It's a
Yeah, but
whole.
we were here. This is the only zip line here.
Get ready. Surgeon's window is about to close. Defeat is only a mindset. Shake it off and keep pushing.
6 deaths, 1 kill. I gotta make a run real fast, y'all. Be back. Like 20 minutes.
Who party leader? I think you, Stevie. Y'all can hear me?
Yeah.
Four.
All stations, we are green to go. Stand by for deployment.
Got a contact. I'll take that.
Resurgence. Stay alive to keep the squad in the fight.
Alright, let's do it. Is this trios or quads?
You've got spy drones in your AO. Handle them.
It's trios.
Enemy
Bet.
counter
They got people up
UAV
here above us.
inbound. Supply box UAV is on the way.
I'm ready for him. Hey, behind y'all, what y'all doing?
One broke.
One down.
To your left, to your left, to your left. To your left.
Will I miss? Will I miss?
Good shit.
Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them.
His teammate over here.
I'm about to finish this off. We get loaded
All
up.
drones neutralized. That's what I like to see. Enemies are dropping
Coming on,
into the
Bob, boy.
area. Watch the skies.
We will leave it down low.
Oh, he's a rat. He had a blast trap.
You're back on station. Go get after it.
Oh, right here above us.
Dead. He should have stayed his ass above.
Uh-huh. Should've. And takes you backsies. I got you.
Friendly loadout drops on the way.
Somebody's rapping this way.
They don't want to do that.
Right here.
UAV available for
They just
tasking.
team chopped me. There's two of them
Two up
down.
top,
They
two
have
up
my
top.
weapons. There's just two down low.
Enemy counter UAV inbound.
No, one shot, one. Turn. Shoot. It's one more. Turn. Oh, right. Yep. He's good. Yep. And it's one more.
Which one?
One coming in.
You're getting another chance. Weapons free.
One of these niggas have my gun.
He right here.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Can't keep up.
Come on, bro. I'm fighting two of them again.
Yeah, so it's kind of like here.
Y'all really like staying together that close?
It's alright. They're gonna get clapped together.
I'm not pushing back.
You have
over here.
reinforcements inbound.
This storm coming. You gotta move anyway. Get ahead.
Ain't no point. I ain't about to keep letting these niggas kill me.
No, no, hold. No, hold.
Additional target added while time remains.
They chasing the shit out of me, bro.
I'm on my way.
Marking target location.
They're to the left.
Marking target
To the right now.
They've got a SAM turret online.
Above y'all. Is that their loadout? Their loadout.
You've got a loadout drop inbound. 25 remain. Solid work so far. Enemy UAV overhead. Target
One more.
down. Marking the rest of them.
We didn't get to finish.
Yes, no.
Enemy soldier incoming.
He's one bullet on that roof.
Hostile
Fuck, he thought he was
UAV in
running.
the area.
Where they at?
Y'all want to kill me when there's three of y'all, right? But no one want to shoot the fade.
Hey.
Where they at? Give me a pin.
Enemy UAV
Over there by y'all,
online.
on top of y'all.
Nobody want to shoot me to fade. Alright.
Y'all good to come grab me.
Right here.
You're going to be okay.
Somebody else buy a third party on the roof.
cracked him.
We've got 10 squads active in the field. All bounty targets destroyed. Hell of a
Y'all
job.
got guns y'all comfortable with? Or y'all want to go down and
Yeah,
get
yeah,
loadouts
we
on
good,
the
we
left?
good, we good. What's up? What are we trying to do?
Good.
I don't really have my guns. I wouldn't
Um,
mind going down to get a loadout real quick
Go
from the
to
left.
Yeah, load up.
Come on.
Come on.
Hostile
can
UAV
get from
in
this-
the area.
Appreciate y'all. Just need some weapons, so I got somebody's gun.
Get your squad
hey,
to
just
the
toss in a
safe
circle.
zone.
Just toss in a
Leave no
circle when you
one
grab it.
behind.
Yeah.
I think somebody pushed
My
us.
money on Bob. Y'all can do it.
Friendly loadout
Oh, I
on
bought
the way.
one too. I didn't know you bought it.
It's all good. It's all good. It's all good.
Fuck, everybody just hit this one to get rid of it.
And I'll leave it. It's still in the circle.
On this roof?
Target location.
You should have minded your fucking business.
Actually, I
Somebody's
lied.
on top of reactor trying to snipe at us too. I'm ramping hard left.
I'm
Go
about
with
to
it.
finesse.
Forget it. Marking target location.
Gonna end up running with y'all with
He's right here. He's right here.
it. Sorry, I'm better.
That's a good shit. That's a good
I
shit.
got 2 down. There's only 1 left. I got the one that's over here dead.
Marking target location.
Enemy UAV is online.
Marking target location.
We got people above us. We gotta push left. We gotta push left. Stay on the edge of the circle.
I just
Fire sale is active. Buy station prices are
hit
adjusted.
him with a precision.
House.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Kill.
I don't know why he thought that was a good
Mark the
idea.
attack map. Get
I don't know where he thought he was going.
But they're gonna submit the plan to
Marking target
loadout
location.
drop headed your way.
Somebody's just out there 1 shot.
Marking target location.
Resurgence window is ending.
Marking
Watch
target
your six.
location.
It's in that corner.
There's 2 in there.
I just got shot. I just got shot.
Got him broken. Got him broken.
Somebody about to third party, y'all. Careful.
Yeah, somebody's third party and sniping.
Oh, fire
Your
sale,
squad's in the
fire
safe
sale.
zone. You're losing ground. Move it.
I don't got no money. I only got. I barely got anything.
NPVR, ready for launch.
Make sure you buy yourself a selfie.
Oh,
If you got bread,
16 rounds.
should be buying a selfie.
Requesting recon above.
I'm going up for high ground right here. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Can you buy a munitions box too if you have it? Just hold it though.
Oh,
Fire
shit, my
sale's
fault.
done. Prices are back to
I
normal.
got the money for it. I'll go down and get it.
UAV is bingo
Marking
fuel.
target
Returning to base.
Whole team over here.
Target grid empty. Negative BDA.
Marking target location.
I'm going back up for high ground over here. So let y'all boys know. In case I get into an engagement and I ain't there to help.
5 squads still operational in the AO. Be advised, Resurgence is no longer active. This is for keeps.
Definitely somebody over
Supply
here.
crates have been restocked. Load up.
He might be with his full team.
There's
you
an
know.
increased payout for this job. Be sure to collect.
Hey, Trippy, any y'all chance you need something? There's something right there.
finish your kill.
I'm knocking him. Good shit. Good shit.
They're trying to pin me down with that sniper.
All squad mates are in the safe zone.
I got 3 blast traps.
Gas is moving.
Yeah, on the ping over here.
Somebody
Marking
got a
target
precision, put that
location.
right there. I got another
I ain't got no
UAV, let me know
PA.
if y'all want me to throw it. People
We got a
underneath
team
it.
pushing down from the left.
Marking target location.
Yep, they up there. They up there. They on y'all. They on y'all in the house. In the house.
9 left. Keep the pressure on.
Downed him.
Got one.
He dead.
Dang. In the last second.
Hey, Steve, you could buy him? Oh, you don't even got
No,
the
no,
money.
no, no, no. Hey, on the buy, 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 on the buy. No, he was in the window.
Gas is closing in. 3 squads left in the war zone. Stay alert.
Go ahead, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Good shit. You had a perfect angle.
Yeah.
Trying.
Enemy UAV overhead.
They got me, boys, if y'all can help. They can't finish. I got a self. No, no, fight, fight, fight.
Oh.
Less than 10 were still standing. Valiant effort. Keep your head up and return to base for debrief.
Little left. I'm okay with it. My lobby too hard for y'all?
Nah, I've been distracted. Don't do me like that. All right, now I gotta lock in. I like how you just did that. You see what you just did?
Yeah, that's what I'm supposed to do. Motivation.
Motivation.
Hey, Henny, what's good, my boy?
Man, shit, what's going on, bro?
Hey, Stevie, you can hear me?
Mm-hmm.
As long as we in agreement that it's only gonna be me and you fighting for the top of the leaderboard, I think we alright.
You know how it was going yesterday.
you know how it go, man, right? I'm just saying.
Let me go ahead and drop my 15 so nobody can say nothing about me and, let y'all keep on trying to catch up.
Alright, say less. I'm with that.
15 what?
Not eliminations, I mean
I'm
15
saying.
kills. I mean the whole thing, not just half of it.
Well, not just some.
Ain't no way you
Maybe
can
if you
get
add them.
15 now. I'm here.
Oh, here we go.
Oh shit, let them know, Henny.
Ain't no
That
way.
nigga know, Henny.
Yeah, his name must be Henny because he's drunk.
Hey, man.
Say the shooters on the squad. Hey, Trippy, that means you're gonna have to be at the bottom of the leaderboard every game.
We'll be deploying shortly.
Sorry, not sorry.
Nah, I'm just bullshitting. Everybody has a good game. That was just a good one for me.
Nah, I'm really trying to go and drop 15.
Could have been better.
Where we dropping?
I was moving on them niggas downstairs.
We can drop bio. What's up with it?
Yeah, we got by. Who had the most out of y'all just now?
Probably not me. I only had 4.
Prep time's over. Now you deploy to the war zone.
You can hear us turn the light off. Shut the door. Lock in. You got 15 kills and shit.
Yeah, you better lock in.
Resurgence. Survive and your
Watch
team
this.
can
That's
redeploy.
this 3 off the rip.
Eliminate targets to bring them back.
Maybe a team wipe.
We've got 10 squads active in the field. Mark a drop.
Remember, I just said it. 3 off the rip. Maybe a team wipe. Alright, relax.
Time for vengeance. You're redeploying.
Behind me. Two behind me.
Enemy UAV is online.
Oh my gosh. I turned the corner, 3 motherfuckers was right there.
Yeah, they're literally like they hit
And that was the 4th one pushing in the room. They all holding hands.
This is exactly what I'm saying.
So we all going there together. We want to spank them.
Go get your revenge.
Oh, I'm with that.
Where's that?
No, they in the bottom. Bottom.
Right here. One shot for the bomb.
Whoa, 1 shot. You ass, boy. I'm gonna come kill you.
Yo, bro, I'm not landing back here.
No, we want to catch them in a minute.
I was just right behind you fighting somebody. You hold up.
Whole team down there, whole team down there.
I'm just gonna go somewhere in a circle.
We're returning you to the front. Earn this. Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done.
Don't land back over there.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
No, just real close.
We can just grab key cards real quick to get loadout. We already got 9 bands.
Some of your squad is
Let's
outside
get it
the
done.
safe zone.
I'm already here. I got bronze.
They on me. Like white on rice. Haha, they were scared.
Platinum.
No, one's there.
Yo, y'all don't push. Y'all don't want to push.
No, they're here.
1 shot. Push.
Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them.
One down.
Precision airstrike available.
Got him.
Mark remaining operators from that squad.
Teammate on the bottom of industries. Yeah, told you we was going to spank him.
Yeah, we can still get our loadout too. Grab our shit real quick. Make sure you throw in a circle though.
You've got a loadout drop inbound.
Y'all want to get that one or y'all want to buy one, Steve? You got enough. We can still hit this one and then just hold the other one for the circle.
Yeah, buy one.
I don't got the money, Steve. You do.
I got it. My bad. I'm silent. I'm locked in. I really want to kill these motherfuckers. Cause I know they about to be over there.
Where you going, yellow?
They just bought that loadout.
Okay.
They bought theirs over at the jump. Come on, we got him.
They're taking a redeploy.
Oh yeah, they're taking redeploy. Hold up. Where they going? Go top. Let's go. No hit markers.
That's my PA. One bullet.
Alright, here we go.
Other side, other side, other side, other side.
Eyes on enemy.
Right here.
Trying to see him. Another one. He's down.
Target down. Marking the rest of them.
One behind us.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
He
He
ran.
jumped off.
Sounds like
Yeah,
he's pushing
he's
the
doing
stairs
that.
though.
Your squad made it to the safe zone. Gas is moving.
Watch out, he could push up 2 different ways.
Oh no.
I really did
Friendly
not mean to
loadout
push it right
drops on the
there.
way.
I wanted to put it behind this wall. But fuck it.
It's all good.
Don't come peek in this corner.
They're coming upstairs.
They don't want to do that.
They're first.
Enemy precision airstrike. Find cover.
PA. Watch out.
Enemy
Somebody's at
soldier
grandma's at the bar.
incoming.
Oh, how the fuck I can do that?
He's
being sniped at your
Sniper, sniper, sniper. Where?
Whoa.
From where?
Quarter. Oh, behind.
Where?
Oh, on top prison.
Oh, he's on
top
the
prison.
roof right there. He just jumped off. Yep. We gotta watch back here and then push up when it's time to leave.
Your squad mate's back on station. Good work.
That guy's in the smoke. He's in the open in the smoke.
Buy station prices have been reduced. Kill confirmed.
Bye, buddy.
We've located the rest of them.
Welcome.
Oh, there's a nun over there too. Don't you hit when you run out of bullets from that last hit?
Hey, ammo.
Hell yeah.
That's our field up.
Oh, you didn't mean run out of bullets. You
Hostile
meant,
UAV in the area.
yeah, like ran out the clip, yeah. I thought you meant you ran out. I had to throw that ammo box, you know what I mean? Get my man reloaded.
I got armor. Y'all need
Resurgence is about to end. Make
I got no armor box. I can't help you there, brother.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Front side.
We actually gotta move from here.
Oh, he first floor hurt.
Enemy
we ain't gotta move
UAV
this
overhead.
yet. We stay our ass right here.
Oh, they're downstairs. He's downstairs in the stairwell.
Your squad's in the safe zone.
Boom.
How many?
Come on. One.
And you?
Yeah, one's left.
Sniped?
Two now.
Yeah, I got sniped. I got sniped. I got
You got a
sniped. I
cell?
got
Oh,
sniped.
shit. Dang, I was about to say you got a cell.
I thought I had throwing knives.
I know, man.
Fire sale's over.
They coming
Adjusting
to us.
price.
They coming to us.
Get a UAV on grid.
I ain't gonna hold you. I'm going
They on roof.
Look with it. Somebody above this building.
Oh my gosh. Like Mouse and Betty just going off. They're just turning and shooting, turning and shooting.
I feel like headed here is probably the best bet.
There you go. Wow.
You're going to be okay.
He coming. He coming. He coming. He coming.
Time for vengeance. You're redeploying.
What the?
Enemy UAV online.
Down there with the quick.
Oh, fuck. Of course I land. Can't move my shoe.
Head for my waypoint.
What the?
Get this show on the road.
No,
Watch
bro,
out.
come on.
Grenade.
25
Teammates came in.
remain. The enemy took that one, but we'll get them
If
back.
he put that bunker buster down, how was that not hurting him? Went for that 15.
Yeah.
It got me, y'all. Y'all still here?